Good day, everyone. Today we'll be discussing about GRI air conditioning, computer, and data processing group. Air-cooled close control air conditioner for data center. GRI introduces the GRI KF series close control air conditioning, which is used for the rooms that place computers, equipment, servers, or data center. The unit adopts advanced design principle for system structure and also is equipped with function of powerful and precise logic control. Through overall laboratory tests of high standard and the strict control by production quality management system, the unit can efficiently control the ambient temperature and humidity with precision, which enables the long-term stable and continuous run of the unit and satisfy the precious air conditioning demands of transportation, power, and IT or data center and other industries related. Cooling capacity of R410A model ranges from 5 kilowatt or 1.42 TR to 97 kilowatt or 27.67 TR. Every unit has a reserve, the long distance monitoring function, and 253 modules at the most can be combined for a single operation. It uses an excellent man-machine interface, which has a 7-inch colorful LCD touchscreen, an English interface option, dynamic display of operation status and operation curve, and it can provide up to 1,000 historical warning storage and display. It also provides comprehensive monitoring of unit operation status, including ambient temperature and humidity, evaporator inlet and outlet temperature, unit component status, voltage, current, water accumulation, and fire alarm, and many more. The warning protection such as uh, phase loss or reverse protection, high pressure and low pressure protection, discharge temperature protection, overload protection, electric heating protection, humidity error protection, and floor water accumulation warning is also part of the system monitoring. With auto startup for power recovery and power failure memory function, if power failure occurs during operation, when power is restored, the air conditioning unit will automatically resume to the previous setting status, which actually requires no personnel on duty in the machine room. Another feature is the user linkage to fire control detection and fire alarm and other functions, or BMS control Kirby interface. It also capable for long distance control such as uh, the utilization of standard RS485 communication interface and Modbus communication protocol. It also has a convenient capacity extension up to 253 modules at the most can be combined for a single control, which is convenient and flexible for machine room extension. So if you want to do a remote monitoring, it's possible. The group control backup or backup unit with switchover operation, unit adjustment, and mode conflict prevention can be achieved. Backup, when there is error for the unit in the group, the backup unit will operate automatically and improve the reliability of the air conditioning system. Backup unit switchover, which backup unit regularly to balance operation time and operation lifespan of the unit. For operation unit adjustment, adjust operation unit quantity according to the load change of the machine room. For mode conflict prevention, avoid several units in the same machine room operating at this opposite mode at the same time in terms of cooling, heating, humidifying, or dehumidifying. The design air conditioning air distribution configuration, it can be multiple air outlet. There are three ways, no? Three air supply ways of free air outlet with air capacity, or front air return and top air outlet or duct connected. The top air return and bottom air outlet, or we call it floor air supply. Maintenance can be done at the front side. No need to reserve maintenance space at the side. Compact design for space savings. Convenient removal and installation. That panel adapts lock cuts for fastening, which is convenient for removal. So if you're doing some sort of micro computer AC, this is very, very suitable. Or if you're doing a micro data center, this is very, very suitable. It has a high efficiency and energy conservation in terms of high efficiency electric heater. The heater can operate in different levels with low energy consumption according to load change. It has an infrared humidification, electrode humidification, which means that the infrared humidifier has a quick humidification for high adaptability to water quality. Electrode humidifier ensures germ-free operation for generating clean steam. Thus, humidification volume in the machine room is stable and meets the requirements. For the dynamic simulation and damping design of electronic component, it effectively reduces vibration, stress, and operation noise by utilizing dynamic simulation design. It uses scroll compressor or high efficiency hermetic compressor with high efficiency and low noise. It also has a centrifugal fan, meaning it can provide better static pressure, so for ducted operation. A high transmission efficiency, low noise, big flow or large flow, small size, and compact structure. Its heat exchanger has a small seam hydrophilic aluminum foil fin and inner threaded heat exchange copper pipe with heat exchange efficiency. Electronic expansion valve, it has a quick regulation speed and high control precision. It also utilizes a G4 filter, suitable for um, metal frame and high cleanliness. In terms of high reliability, it has a non-stop and reliable operation for all year round, meaning it's capable to perform. It has a wide range operation temperature range. The unit can operate in cooling mode at outdoor ambient temperature from minus 35 degrees C to 48 degrees C, which is applicable in both severe cold area and tropical region, like in Philippines. Very, very suitable. It has an high anti-electromagnetic interference ability, stable signal transmission, precise control, and high system reliability. It also has all accessories been tested and inspected strictly. It also has an independent electric control cabinet. Electric control cabinet is isolated completely with the refrigeration system to prevent short circuit caused by condensation. For the specification, so like what I've said, which is from 1.5 TR to 27 TR. You can check from this detailed enumeration of specs. So additional specification that you can look upon. So I think this is the last 97 kilowatt. I think there's a product dimension. The photo is only for reference, and but uh, you can also use this already for your design. So if you're doing a crack or computer room air conditioning, micro data center. This is very, very suitable. The gray air cooled close control air conditioning. To some, it's a precision control air conditioning. Some notes, if you check this on the website, the standard design uses the GB standards 19413. It's a typical uh, China standards. Remember the ambient temperature cooling capacity measurement. Indoor temperature is 24 degrees C. So if you're designing for a lower than 24 uh, for a data center or a crack room, uh, please provide uh, the manufacturers the details. The performance parameter for the unit will be changed due to improvement of product without notice. Specific parameters are all subject to nameplate. The noise is the value tested in semi-anechoic room. The accuracy of temperature and humidity is closely related to the temperature and humidity load at the project site. When the altitude exceeds 1,000 meter, normally there's a derating for all equipment, even generator. Above all, models can realize modular operation. So if you have a special requirement, feel free to contact us. For the electric heating and humidifier, it can be selected according to engineering needs. So if you're looking for a lower humidity, normally you cannot go beyond a lower 30% RH because it will increase your static within the room. So you need to be careful for that when you're selecting for a precision or precision air conditioning unit. This is the copy of China standard in terms of unitary air conditioner for computer and data processing room. I think you can check this over the internet. Thank you very much, and I hope you learned something. God bless.